In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a custom route in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps. Now find your starting location. All you have to do is press and hold your finger on the starting point to drop a pin. Tap directions and then instead of using your current location, tap it and select chosen map. Next, select a destination on the map. By default, Google Maps shows driving directions, but you can switch to walking to get a pedestrian route. To make it custom route, tap three dots at the top right and select Edit Stops. Tap Add Stop and choose on map to pick a new point along your desired path. You can drag stops up or down to reorder your route or remove any stops you don't need. Sometimes Google Maps recognizes trails, but not always. You can switch to terrain mode and zoom in to spot trails or paths. And that's it. Now you can create a custom walking route in Google Maps and explore exactly where you want. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.